Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Kia Forte SX trim level. That's the very highest trim level in Kia Fortes. Car has aluminum alloy wheels, signal repeaters in the mirrors, fog lights, sunroof, and a whole bunch of other options we're going to take a look at. That big green sticker you see in the upper right hand corner of the window says the car is qualified under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. Check out the benefits and features available to the purchaser of this little Kia. We get on the side of the car. There's a sign that says Sirius XM is on, which indicates that the car comes with 3 months of free Sirius XM radio as a trial. Of course, inside we have power windows, locks, and mirrors, and a driver's memory seat, 2 positions. Some of the features of this car is lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert, traction control, and a heated leather steering wheel. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls, as well as paddle shifters for some spirited driving. Little Forte only has 23,615 kilometers. There's Sirius XM on the radio. If we push the map button, there's the navigation, and here's the backup camera. You'll also notice it has push button start, has some really nice pedals on the floor, has dual climate zone control, and down below that some auxiliary and USB ports for inputs to the radio, heated and cooled driver's seat, heated passenger seat, and a drive mode select. There's a shot of that sunroof. Seating surfaces are leather. The driver's seat is powered. Plenty of room in the back for carrying passengers. Those seats are leather, and they are heated for the comfort of your passengers. Going to the rear of the car. Really large trunk back here. Plenty of space to carry groceries, hockey bags, sports equipment of all kinds. And there is a pass-through in the center of the seat. There's a picture of that SX badge. So if you're looking for a little small sedan that's economical to operate but gets the job done, come on down, bring the family, come to West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. We're open 9 to 9 Monday to Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 on Sunday, and most holidays. And we'd love to take you out for a test drive by bringing the family along. See how well this car will work for you and your family.